Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to delete application on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to delete application from your device is essential for managing storage space, decluttering your app collection, and improving device performance. And also, by removing unused or unnecessary apps, you can free up space for new applications, photos, videos, and other content. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings on your device. Well, and in this page, you can scroll down till you find Apps menu. Tap on the option. Well, and here you will find all of the applications installed on your device. Okay, so now select the one you want to delete, and then click on Install option here. And click OK to continue deletion. So now the application is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete application on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.